Screw up everything. Oh, we missed all those blocks. Oh well, we're gonna get some of these ones. Go right here. Right down bar the. We'll hit the other ones next time. These ones are getting work done too. That house used to be in rough shape because I used to go to the Valero all the time. Not looking good. See, I used to park right here with that Kyle kid and sit under that tree. R.I.P. Man, this neighborhood looks so different. Look at the siding. It's awesome. When I come through here in the days, it was so much rougher. There's a fresh tear down. There's a stolen car back there. All crashed. You're making me nervous to stop looking for it.
Alright.
Because you're driving past houses and when it dies, it dies.
Kitty cat.
Give it more gas. Of course. House is being worked on. Really, dude? There's a nice park here.
Yeah.
That's newer. That never used to be there. That's really new.
Which way you want
Left.
to
No, we'll go right. I'm sorry. That park's newer.
What's it called? Malink?
Beanick or something.
Malink.
But yeah, that's a brand new park. Brand new hoops. That's awesome. Well, that's going to make it hard to record with streaks. We're just going to try to get a 5-minute video and then I turned on Crawley. I'm sorry. And then go down to this one. Daniels. I know this intersection. I'm just going to have to do it from the side windows. Go back up here and go left back to Martin. We're back where we started, basically. Dang, it's coming down hard.
Yeah, it is.
Alright, go ahead.
I gotta put these on.
That's fine. Go back down. No, yeah, go down Martin. You got it. Serena, that's changed a lot, this area. That's where they film a lot of McGraw Avenue down on Serena. There's that park right at Kirkwood in Martin. Wonder what used to be there. I'm trying to think. I think an old factory or something. But
Yeah.
yeah, Barlow. Because, yeah, something here got tore down too, see? On both sides.
Right. Probably the mold building.
Look, this is, I think that's where they're making the greenway, like all the way down.
Oh, yeah?
Because there used to be a whole bunch of stuff here that ain't here. Go left or something. Of course, there's people everywhere. Alright, here good. Just drive normal speed. Mattress. Still new fences. This block had a lot of tear downs.
Yeah.
It's a nice car for sale. But this is pretty much in Southwest. Just the rougher part of Southwest. Still a lot of teardowns, a lot more than there used to be back in the day. Damn, look what old demo down here. Something huge was tore down.
Sweetie.
Figures when my phone's dead, we're getting caught up behind everything, but she gets the right of way for sure. There we go. I don't know what used to be up here, but they tore down something huge, a school or something. It's been so long. Look right here.
Oh, yeah.
They tore down something real big. Look at the roof getting put on that house.
Oh, yeah.
But wonder what used to be right there. Oh, that's where the school used to be, McGraw.
Oh, okay.
There used to be a school right there, a big school.
And that explains that empty spot.
Right. That's right where the school was, duh. I thought it looked weird. Go left on Gladys. We're almost done. This is Southwest. The other side is Southwest. The other side of 94. Gilbert Street. I know this street well. There used to be a house right here that got tore down. And they tore a garage down there too, and back there.
Right?
Yeah, we're already at 94 basically.
Oh, okay.
They got some cool German Shepherds in there.
Oh, yeah, we're right at 90. Are we done?
Yeah, I mean, phone's about to die. I got enough footage for now.